asking nobody for nothing, but can't get it on my own.
What is?
If you don't like what I'm writing, you just leave the Smyrna cowboy alone.
Hello everybody, Smyrna Cowboy here this morning. It's a Sunday morning. It's sort of icky this morning. I think today is the 6th of March. It's 8:31 in the morning. I went to Murfreesboro to get a few things at Walmart that they didn't have in the Smyrna store. And when I got up here, they were sold out of it too. I should have called, but, well, you know. Okay, sirrah. Hope everybody's doing well today. I thought I'd just pop the camera in. I used the Vado HD today. Heading on back to the house. Still trying to get accustomed to working nights. It's going to take a good while, I'm sure, to get my sleeping habits in sync with that. It's been 5 years since I've been on nights, so it's going to take a while to do that. It sucks, but you know, you got to look at the long picture, and you know, I still got a job and benefits, so can't really complain too much. A lot of people out there that don't, so you can wallow in self-pity all you want and be all PO'd and everything else, but sometimes you gotta wake up and smell the coffee, if you get my meaning. But a man's gotta do what a man's gotta do. I tried something on this Vado. I hope it comes out well. I put a piece of duct tape on the mic, and we'll see if it helps with the audio quality of the video today. I'll find that out when we get back. As you can see, it's sort of misty, rainy type stuff. I only did it when I came into Murfreesboro. It wasn't like this in Smyrna when I left, but it's moving on out now. Hopefully I won't get too damp from all this stuff. That's what I'm hoping for anyway. I don't know about in your neck of the woods, but gas is going up exponentially. Starting to get high, I guess, because of the unrest in Libya. The forecasters, or I don't know what you call them, I forget now, the oil forecasters or whatever, is chucking the price of oil up. Here in Murfreesboro, it's we'll go by here, go by the BP. Let's see what we got here. It's $3.27, $3.42, and $3.57. Regular, medium, and premium for gasoline here. So it's starting to go up, and for all you motorcycle riders out there, isn't it a great thing to have a motorcycle? Especially this time of year when gas starts to go up, and it don't cost you an arm and a leg to get around your basic transportation needs, you know. went to Walmart and got a few things. Got a case of Cokes that's under the seat, and some other things I had to put in my tank bag, well, my trunk bag, on the seat and tie it down to make room for all this stuff. But I got it all on the bike, so that's all that matters. Tell you what though, a scooter does have a lot of storage value. That's for certain. They're out taking the MSF course this morning, and they're at Bumpus's Harley Davidson. God bless them. Wish many safe miles riding. Wind's really kicking up here today. It's supposed to be, like I say, a cold front moved through last night. It's dropped the temperature. It's about, well, I don't have my digital thermometer on. I just got that little one there, showing about 38 degrees this morning. It's supposed to warm up later on during the week. Of course, some more rain's supposed to be moving in Wednesday, which is my day off. Yeah, it figures. But, you know, gotta have rain. Got to have the rain. I was watching a video from one of my subscribers, well, the ones I subscribe to. I can't remember. It's BC something. I forget now what the number is, buddy. I'm sorry. I'll go ahead and put the link up here with the video. He rides a Bergman 650 also. And he was going into work one morning, and he hit a deer. He didn't go off the bike. He held it up, which is great. And there was no way he could have avoided it. There was no. I couldn't. I ran the video 5 or 6 times. There was no way he could have avoided it, because this deer come out of the tall grass, what I could see, and there was just no time to react or anything. It was just that quick, and he tagged it and hit his left front fairing, tore it all to crap. But like I say, he didn't drop the bike, he didn't go down, which is a great thing. And he survived a deer strike. Of course, the Tupperware, that's what we call it, the plastics. We call it Tupperware in the Bergman community. The Tupperware on that left fairing was pretty much disintegrated, and his headlight popped out. But I'm fairly certain that all that can be replaced, because I had to replace a front fairing on mine because of that brake fluid faux pas I did. So I can understand that. Got some flash flooding down here because of the rain we've had. But it was great that he was able to keep the bike up, and he was uninjured at all. He's shaken up a bit, which I would probably had to clean my riding pants out, or the seat what I was sitting in. I'd probably have to clean it out. But he's no worse for wear, thank God. And I was really glad to see that. Well, believe it or not, I've pretty much run out of things to say. So I guess I'm going to go ahead and cut this short vid off here. This is the Smyrna Cowboy, still in Murfreesboro, on the way back home to Smyrna this morning. Wishing you and yours a good day today. Oh, wait a minute. Hang on just a second. Alright. Just hang on. Alright, I'm still in Murfreesboro. Now, okay. This is a Smyrna Cowboy here in Smyrna, Tennessee now. Wishing you and yours a good day. And until next time, adios.